20 Steps to Mine Himalayan Salts. Welcome to BIZNOB, your go-to channel for uncovering the inner workings of various industries. Today, we're diving into the fascinating process of how Himalayan salts are mined every year. Join us as we explore the origins, mining techniques, and global distribution of this precious commodity. Let's get started. 1. Geological survey and mapping. Before any mining can begin, geologists conduct an extensive survey and mapping of the region. This involves studying the geological formations to identify salt-rich areas. Advanced techniques such as seismic surveys, ground-penetrating radar, and satellite imaging are used to create detailed maps. These maps help determine the depth, quality, and extent of the salt deposits, ensuring that mining efforts are focused on the most productive areas. This step is critical because it minimizes environmental impact and maximizes the efficiency of the mining process. 2. Selection of mining area. Based on the geological survey, mining engineers select specific areas within the salt mine for excavation. This involves assessing the accessibility, safety, and richness of the salt deposits. The selected areas are then marked and prepared for drilling. This step ensures that the mining operations are conducted in the most effective and sustainable manner, targeting high-quality salt deposits while maintaining the structural integrity of the mine. 3. Drilling. Miners use specialized drilling equipment to create precise holes in the rock surface. These holes are strategically placed to ensure effective blasting and extraction of the salt rocks. Drilling is done with precision to avoid unnecessary damage to the surrounding rock structures. The depth and diameter of the holes are carefully calculated based on the geological survey to optimize the blasting process. This step sets the stage for efficient and safe extraction of the salt. 4. Blasting. Controlled explosions using gunpowder or other explosives are set off in the drilled holes. This breaks the rock into manageable pieces, making it easier to extract the salt. Safety measures are paramount during this process to protect the miners and maintain the stability of the mine. The blasts are carefully timed and executed to minimize dust and ensure the integrity of the mine's structure. After blasting, the area is ventilated to clear any harmful gases or dust, ensuring a safe environment for the miners. 5. Ventilation setup. Proper ventilation systems are installed to ensure a constant supply of fresh air within the mines. This is essential for the health and safety of the miners, as well as for maintaining a clear working environment free of dust and harmful gases. Ventilation involves the use of fans, ducts, and air shafts to circulate air throughout the mine. This system not only provides fresh air but also helps control the temperature and humidity levels, creating a comfortable and safe working environment. 6. Extraction. The broken salt rocks are manually or mechanically extracted from the mine. Traditional tools like pickaxes and shovels are used alongside modern machinery such as excavators and loaders. The extracted salt is then loaded onto trucks or conveyor belts for transportation to the surface. This step requires skilled labor and careful handling to avoid contaminating the salt with dirt or other impurities. The use of both manual and mechanical methods ensures efficient extraction while preserving the quality of the salt. 7. Transportation to surface. Specialized trucks or train systems are used to transport the extracted salt rocks from the depths of the mine to the surface. This ensures efficient and safe movement of the heavy salt loads. The transportation system is designed to minimize damage to the salt and reduce the time it takes to move the salt from the extraction site to the processing area. This step is crucial for maintaining the integrity and quality of the salt rocks. 8. Initial sorting. Once at the surface, the salt rocks undergo an initial sorting process. Workers manually inspect the rocks to remove any large debris, impurities, or non-salt materials. This step ensures that only the highest quality salt rocks proceed to the next stage. Sorting is done carefully to maintain the natural structure and purity of the salt. This step is essential for producing high-quality final products that meet consumer standards. 9. Washing and cleaning. The sorted salt rocks are thoroughly washed to remove any remaining impurities and debris. This step is crucial for maintaining the purity and high quality of the salt. Washing is done using clean, filtered water to ensure that no contaminants are introduced during the process. The salt rocks are often washed multiple times to achieve the desired level of cleanliness. This step ensures that the final product is free from any unwanted particles or impurities. 10. Drying. After washing, the salt rocks are dried to remove any excess moisture. This is typically done in a controlled environment to maintain optimal moisture levels. The drying process involves placing the salt rocks in enclosed chambers with regulated temperature and airflow. This step is essential for preventing the growth of mold or bacteria and ensuring the salt maintains its natural texture and properties. Proper drying also prepares the salt for grinding and further processing. 11. Grinding. The dried salt rocks are ground into smaller grains suitable for culinary use. This grinding process can vary in coarseness depending on the intended use of the salt. Grinding is done using specialized machinery that ensures a consistent texture and size. The grinding process can be adjusted to produce fine, medium, or coarse salt grains. This step is essential for creating a versatile product that can be used in various culinary applications. 12. Grading. The ground salt is then graded using machines that classify the grains based on size. This step ensures uniformity and consistency in the final product. Grading involves passing the salt through a series of screens and filters that separate the grains into different sizes. This process ensures that each batch of salt meets the desired specifications and quality standards. Proper grading is essential for producing a high-quality product that appeals to consumers. 13. Optical sorting. High-tech optical color sorting machines are used to eliminate any impurities and undesired grains. This precision tool uses advanced imaging technology to detect and remove any discolored or imperfect grains. The optical sorting process ensures that every batch of Himalayan salt meets the highest standards of purity and consistency. This step is crucial for maintaining the visual appeal and quality of the final product. 14. Packaging. The sorted and graded salt is packaged in secure, airtight containers to protect it from environmental factors and contaminants. Packaging materials are chosen to maintain the salt's quality and prevent moisture or dirt from affecting it. The packaging process involves sealing the salt in high-quality plastic or glass containers that provide a strong barrier against external elements. Proper packaging is essential for preserving the freshness and purity of the salt. 15. Quality control. A thorough quality control check is conducted to ensure the final product meets all safety and quality standards. This includes testing for purity, mineral content, and consistency. Quality control involves laboratory analysis and visual inspection to verify that the salt meets the required specifications. This step is essential for maintaining consumer trust and ensuring that the product is safe and of high quality. 16. Distribution. The packaged salt is then distributed to various markets, including retail stores, wellness centers, and online platforms. This step involves logistics planning to ensure timely and efficient delivery to consumers. Distribution channels are carefully chosen to reach a wide audience and maximize the product's market reach. Effective distribution ensures that the high-quality Himalayan salt is available to consumers worldwide. 17. Cutting and shaping. For products like salt lamps, large rotating blades and diamond-tipped drill bits are used to cut and shape the salt rocks into unique forms. This process requires precision and expertise to create aesthetically pleasing and functional products. The cutting process involves using specialized machinery to carve the salt rocks into desired shapes and sizes. This step is essential for producing high-quality salt lamps that appeal to consumers. 18. Polishing. The cut salt rocks are polished to enhance their natural luster and aesthetic appeal. Polishing smooths the surface of the salt rocks, creating a tactile and visually pleasing finish. This step involves using abrasive materials and polishing compounds to achieve a high gloss finish. Proper polishing is essential for creating attractive and marketable salt lamps. 19. Embedding lighting components. Lighting components are embedded within the hollowed-out center of the salt rocks. This step requires careful assembly to ensure that the lamps function correctly. The process involves inserting electrical components and wiring them securely within the salt rock. Proper installation of the lighting components is essential for creating safe and functional salt lamps. 20. Final packaging for lamps. The completed salt lamps are carefully packaged to prevent damage during transportation. Packaging materials are chosen with care to protect the delicate lamps from external elements. Labels indicating product details, care instructions, and safety precautions are added to provide consumers with essential information. Proper packaging ensures that the salt lamps reach consumers in perfect condition. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of how Himalayan salts are mined every year. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to BIZNOB for more insights into the fascinating world of business operations. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.